furnace not coming on. As you can see, from R to C, we have 0 volts. So we're going to keep back tracing the voltage to see where we lose our voltage. I checked the transformer low voltage now. As you can see, I have them hooked up there. I have 0 volts. So now I'm going to check the other side. So now I'm checking the high voltage side on the transformer. I had to move these wires back a little bit to fit my clips on there. I do have 120 volts. I do not have 24 volts on the other side. So that tells me that the transformer is bad. So I'm about to change out the transformer right here since it's bad. The first thing you want to do when you change out the transformer is kill power to the unit. Here's the switch, turning it off. Now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to check voltage just to make sure there is no voltage present, just to be safe. Alright, check the high voltage. As you can see, I have no voltage, so it is safe to change the transformer. Now what you can do is you can take a picture of it before and after, just to remember which wire goes where. Or if you're just good, you can remember. You're going to take these 2 screws out here, take the wires off, and then put them on the new one. I'll show you how it's done when I'm complete. Now that we have the transformer in, we got to figure out what wires we are going to use. And you can do that by looking up here. It'll tell you which wire. Since this is a furnace, it goes off 120 volts. So from there, it looks like we'll be using the black and white wire. The red is for 208 and the orange is for 240. We're going to be capping those off since we're not using them. And the blue and yellow are your low voltage wires. So let me wire those in and show you what it looks like when I'm done. Alright, we got the transformer changed out. Got the black, which is your hot with the black, and got your white, which is your common. Got your blue, which is your 24 volts right here, and then your red, that's your common on your 24 volts. And then these are the 2 that we're not using. Those are for 208 and 240. This is 120. We're using the 120 ones. Let's turn the furnace on and see if it works now. There's the power. Inducer motor's coming on. Next thing that's going to happen is the pressure switch is going to close. After pressure switch closes, the hot surface igniter is going to start glowing. But you can see it back there. And then the gas valve is going to get energized with 24 volts and allow the gas to come in, and the flame is going to light. Flame is lit. Flame sensor is going to sense the flame now. After the flame sensor senses the flame, it will turn on the blower motor. Blower motor came on, unit is working. All it was a transformer. I do recommend a surge protector to this customer to protect their equipment. That's it, thank you.